zero investment, maximum opportunities, top 2023 business models to start from scratch. The world is changing, and with it, new business opportunities are emerging. We've noticed a lot of our followers are curious about the best opportunities, so that's what we'll discuss in this video. We're going to introduce some interesting independent business models that you should start thinking about if you want to become an entrepreneur. You see, there are many online gurus and business coaches who make it sound like you can start a successful business and become wealthy in just a few weeks. But in reality, it takes more time and skills to make a business succeed, especially if you don't have much initial capital. Our goal today is to show you how to start a business with no money and still make it significant. To do this, you'll begin as a one-person operation with no employees. You'll need a variety of skills because you'll be responsible for finding customers, converting them, creating a sales pipeline, ensuring a great customer experience, delivering your product or service, and handling payments. As time goes on, you can start hiring people and delegate tasks, especially those that don't directly make you money but are still necessary. Eventually, your business will grow and you'll have employees working with you. There is a distinction between working in the business and working on the business. When you work in the business, you handle all the day-to-day tasks necessary to keep it running and deliver the product. This might involve tasks like creating invoices, ensuring everyone pays their dues, and even cleaning your workspace. On the other hand, working on the business means focusing on the bigger picture, developing a strategy, managing your team, dealing with customers, closing deals, and so on. This is where you can make the most money. It's important to note that working in the business is initially necessary to ensure it runs smoothly. Does this make sense so far? Great! Let's continue with the first category, specialization in marketing. Here's an unconventional opinion. It's better to specialize in a very specific subcategory of marketing rather than trying to handle all aspects of marketing in general. Let me explain this idea further. In recent times, there's been a lot of talk about SMM or social media management and SMMA, social media marketing agency, which involve broad marketing activities. If you start an SMMA, as many gurus suggests, you might end up with a generalized approach which may not work well in 2023. You can't be expected to do everything for everyone, and an agency that claims to do everything usually doesn't excel at anything. Furthermore, the market might perceive you as not being specialized if you offer a wide range of services. To illustrate this, consider yourself as a restaurant owner specializing in Italian cuisine in New York City. Due to the challenges posed by COVID-19, you're struggling to attract customers, so you need a social media marketing strategy to find new patrons. If you have no idea how this works and want to hire an agency, you face a choice between one that offers a one-size-fits-all approach and one that exclusively works with restaurants. Which one would you choose? And which one would you be willing to pay more for? Most importantly, which one do you think is more experienced and better suited to your specific needs? The clear choice is the agency that exclusively works with restaurants. This concept is known as positioning in marketing, and it's critically important. There are several ways to specialize. 1. Specialize in your target. You can narrow down the type of businesses or people you want to work with. For instance, you could focus exclusively on restaurants as in the previous example. 2. Specialize in your service. You can specialize in the specific services you offer, such as video marketing, managing Facebook campaigns, or other distinct services. 3. Specialize in your subcategory. Rather than offering a broad range of marketing services, you can focus on a particular subcategory like copywriting or specific marketing strategies like guerrilla marketing or influencer marketing. Now let's dive into 3 examples of marketing subcategories you can specialize in. Copywriting. Copywriting is a fundamental aspect of marketing. It plays a crucial role in the success of an ad or campaign by compelling people to take action, whether it's making a purchase, providing their contact information, or closing a deal. Think of copywriting as the art of persuading through written content. It's like having a salesperson in the form of words on a page that convinces people. Copywriters specialize in various techniques to persuade people to buy. These techniques often involve tapping into emotions, addressing pain points, and effectively presenting a product in a way that doesn't come across as overly salesy. There's a well-known saying in the world of copywriting: people buy with emotions and then justify the purchase with rationality. This means that the most effective way to persuade someone to buy something is by connecting with their emotions and then providing logical reasons to support their decision. In this example, Olivia is justifying her purchase with rationality. She's explaining that the purse was on sale for a limited time and she saved 30% by buying it during the sale. This rational justification helps Mark understand why she made the purchase despite its initial cost. However, the emotion that likely drove Olivia to buy the purse in the first place could be the feeling of getting a great deal or the sense of satisfaction that comes with making a smart purchase. Emotions often play a significant role in the initial decision to buy, and rationality comes into play when explaining or justifying the purchase afterward. In this scenario, individuals purchase a new purse because it allows them to feel better, boost their confidence, receive compliments, and feel more beautiful. These are highly emotional reasons that motivated Olivia's purchase in the first place. This closely parallels the work of copywriters who regularly identify the emotional connections people have with products and use these emotions to persuade them to make a purchase. Copywriters leverage these emotional attachments to seal the deal. Marketing content creation. Copywriters primarily focus on the written content within advertisements and do not handle the design and imagery aspects of ads. The creation of the ad's visual elements is typically the responsibility of content creators who specialize in various types of content such as video production, graphic design, branding, and more. These professionals specialize in crafting the visual aspects of the advertisement to complement the copywritten text. Managing ad campaigns on specific platforms. The most widely used platform for advertising is Facebook, where approximately 3 million businesses actively advertise. Other common advertising platforms include Google Ads, Bing Ads, Instagram Ads, which is connected to Facebook, Twitter Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and more. Instead of attempting to work with all these platforms, it's advisable to specialize in one of them and become proficient. Start by learning how to use the platform and achieve results. Then, find clients and manage advertising campaigns for them. This includes tasks like defining the target audience, conducting market research, and understanding the platform's regulations. Before exploring other business models in 2023, it's essential to grasp what's required to get started. First and foremost, you need to master the necessary skills. Continuous skill development is crucial because the market evolves constantly. If you stop learning and improving, you may become outdated and eventually fail. The initial phase of acquiring the basics of these skills might take around 3 to 4 months, but it's a gradual and steady process. This approach may not make you rich quickly, but it's a more reliable path compared to risky get-rich-quick schemes that demand excessive dedication and sacrifice. Specialization is not only essential for the reasons mentioned earlier, but it also helps you stay competitive and ahead of the curve. The next step is actively searching for clients, and we've created several videos on how to find clients as a freelancer and how to sell your services. Moving forward, sales from cold calls to closing or sales management. Sales is a crucial part of business operations, and without sales department, many businesses would struggle to survive. The aim here is to get involved in closing deals, particularly in high-ticket sales where products or services cost around $5,000 or more. As a closer, your earnings are based on commissions, providing the potential for unlimited profits if you excel at it and know your trade. Even with just a 10% commission on a high-ticket item, you could earn $500 or more, and even if you closed just one sale a week, that would amount to $2,000 or more. Closing is preferable because, compared to cold calling, it's more efficient and less time-consuming. Cold calls tend to be lengthy, sometimes lasting up to 30 minutes, and many cold calls don't lead to successful sales. To break into the field of closing, it's advantageous to gain some experience in cold calling. Having prior experience in sales, even in cold calling, makes it easier to secure a closer position compared to having no sales experience at all. This experience can be a valuable asset when seeking your first clients. Over time, you can expand and create a small team of closers to whom you can delegate closing calls. You'll retain a portion of their sales as passive income, which is a promising opportunity for further financial growth. Content creation. Content creation is an excellent path to consider if you enjoy blogging, vlogging, or engaging with a camera. To succeed, you need to learn how to create entertaining content and then select a highly specific topic. Just like in the other two models, being specific about your niche is crucial. Avoid discussing a wide range of subjects. Instead, focus on a particular topic and stay consistent with it. Your chosen topic can be something you're passionate about, and the more unique or unusual, the better. If you're interested in something, there's a good chance that others share your interest and are willing to watch your content about it. The way you make money with content creation depends on the platform you use and the topic you choose. While YouTube monetization is an option, it's not the only one. If you use platforms like TikTok, it can be more challenging to earn substantial income, so you might explore selling physical or digital products as an alternative revenue stream. Digital products in your content creation journey could include exclusive content, early access to your content, online courses, or ebooks. On the other hand, physical goods can be tailored to your niche. For example, if you run a mountain biking channel, you might offer mountain biking jerseys with your channel's logo on them or create merchandise related to your niche. This diversification of offerings can help you generate income and connect more deeply with your audience. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending your valuable time watching the video. I truly hope it brought a smile to your face and some valuable insights to your mind. If you've found any nuggets of wisdom or enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and join our community by hitting that subscribe button. Your support keeps us going and we've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. Now, before you go conquer the day, remember it's not goodbye, it's just see you in the next one. Stash Cash signing off.